In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to create a thumbnail like me. Therefore in mobile, therefore you need to go your Play Store for taking a apps, search on their pixellab, so something like that. Wait, and download that. I have already downloaded this app, so tap on open, and I am selected image size, custom, and YouTube thumbnail, and tap on OK. Wide 1280 and height 720, so tap on OK, and new text. I'm deleting that, and right now I'm choosing a background color. So you can take background from Google and other footage or other stock footage. You can use that of your thumbnail. So I'm doing it from there. So tap on color, and here is a gradient color. I don't use that. I will use solid color, therefore tap on color, and I will use black here. So just simple creating for you. So, and right now I have to take a man, so therefore you need to go Google and search man face, so something like that, and I'm taking that smiling mode. So tap on there, visit. Okay, you can tap on picture and download image. So it has been download, and right now you need to remove background of your photo. So write on Google remove background, tap on there, and you need to do after that upload image that you have download of your phone. So tap on that and done. So your photo is automatically background removed. So then download option, it has been downloaded. So right now go to your pixellab and from gallery, and you need to choose your remove background photo. So okay, and I'm slightly doing zoom right bottom side. Here is a small and big size to do option, and yeah, I'm slightly doing big for perfect size. Yeah, I'm doing some size big. Okay, I'm putting here perfectly, no gap of nothing, no gap would your thumbnail. So it not perfect would be when you have gap on your thumbnail, so it is kind of bad thing would be. So right now you need to write something of your thumbnail that you want to make video about that. So tap on plus and click on text. So right now I'm writing simple, so I don't know what's your topic, and then click on A option, alphabet, and scroll right and choose AB font, and you can put your font, you can download from Google whatever font you want, and tap on plus option, this plus option, and you can add that. I have added really really way happy, so I'm happy fonted bold. So tap on there and size increasing, simple. So I'm lock that. So and you can copy a kind that simple. You okay, wait, all word would be bigger letter. So YouTube, so something slightly small. Okay, perfect. Simple YouTube. And again copy that and write their thumbnail, all word keeping capital letter. So okay, tap on okay, and it's put perfect place of your thumbnail. So yeah, so you can do that simply. So it's simple thumbnail. Don't boring thing here. Don't put in boring thing like a lot of coloring, gradient color, a lot of picture, a lot of image. Yeah, it's just simple text and simple man here and simple background. You can change your background, tap on there. Okay, we're changing that. What is best for that? Okay, it is so well. So okay, you can just tap on bottom, tap on above this option and save as project, save as image, and click on custom and tap on ultra. That is so good quality thing, and save to gallery. So it is saved, so you can check from your gallery here. Yeah, right now you need to go your video and putting that of your video for thumbnail. So yeah, that's it. See you later.